The Homeline Spa Panel HOME250SPA is a top-notch solution for managing outdoor circuits such as hot tubs, swimming pools, and spas, ensuring optimal safety and performance. Equipped with a 50-amp 2-pole ground fault circuit interrupter, this spa panel provides robust protection against electrical faults, making it a reliable choice for outdoor installations. Constructed with a painted, zinc-coated steel outdoor enclosure, it offers excellent durability and resistance against the elements, which is crucial for long-term outdoor use. Square D by Schneider Electric, a leader in safety switches for over 90 years, backs this product, highlighting its commitment to innovation, reliability, and ease of installation. The panel is designed with user-friendly features that simplify the installation process, reducing time and effort for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its compact dimensions and lightweight design, the Homeline Spa Panel is easy to handle and install, making it an ideal choice for various residential and commercial applications.